Hello. So today we're gonna tell you how to get some badges. As soon as this loads. I just shattered two people's eardrums. So let's start off with Helpy. He's probably the easiest one. First, you go straight into the pizzeria, and you go straight down, and when you see the parts and service room, then turn this way. I forgot which way that was. And then you see this door you can interact with. Then you can see Helpy, you touch him, and you get the Helpy badge, which I already have. Also, this is an alt. Oh wait, no. Oh yeah, this is an alt. I forgot. Oops, I'm stupido. El stupido here. Alright, so for how to get left behind, we go for, you see the grand opening sign in this alleyway? You go through here, you see all these trucks. You go through here, and then you see a Nightmare Balloon Boy. Touch him, and you get the badge. Hooray. People are probably watching like Gallon to get the badge. Alright. So the next one is Seward's Monster. So you see Walmart, and then you turn right. Then you see this little vent right here. You go in it, and bam, there's a maze. So, yeah, I'm just probably going to be quiet through this, maybe. I don't know, I'm bored. I already went through this like so many times. Right. Alright, so you go this way. So this part is pretty easy. You just go to the parts that don't have dead ends. This is the part where it might get hard. So you go left, and then when you see this picture of digitized pixels, you go straight forward, and then you turn right. At least I think. Yeah, you turn right. No, you don't. You don't. You turn left. I'm stupido. El stupido. Then you turn right. There we go. And I'm not going to tell you how to get lefty, because I don't think you can get it anymore. So, yeah, let's show off these characters. Alright, so let's go to the game passes and events area, I guess. Well, let's start with what am I going to do for the next video to reach it to 10 minutes? And I know the last video was not 10 minutes long. Jump. Oh. He's dead. I'm going to just turn off my freaking thing, because I don't want copyrighted music. Just like I almost did on my other channel. You don't talk about my other channel. But yeah, this is Helpy. He's pretty cool. Next. Alright, next up we have Nightmare BB. We go through here, and this guy's a freaking midget, you know? He only has one thing, and it's jump scare. Look how freaking far he goes. Wow. That was the perfect angle. I have to get a good angle of it. Oh no, guys, he's jump scaring me. Oh god! Oh, I messed up. Alright. Well. Alright, next. Alright. Next up, we got the Silver and Arm. I think he's... Oh, he only has one thing. Remove mask. Oh, too scary for me. I think I'm gonna put that back on. Big ears. Big ears. Alright, well, that's the end of the video, mates. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.